Yes, sir.
When I ask this His Excellency,
From Lagos State, Honorable Benga Elepele Otumba of Garland from.
That's a woman.
Lastly, but not the least,
I find it going to tell that I want to run for the office of the president. And if I want to run for the office of the president, as my father, I have to come to seek blessing. So I thought that the right thing to do is come to Lagos and visit you and ask you to bless me in a special way, different from how you bless others. You know, if you give that special blessing, chances are that God will answer quickly. And I want God to answer us so that we'll eventually be the president. Let me tell you, Your Majesty, what I told Alaki. I said, and I'm serious about it, that if I become the president of Nigeria, I will make sure that the traditional institution is included in the Constitution by working with the National Assembly to amend the Constitution. The reason is that the traditional institution, you know all these people, you know everybody in your kingdom. So all this insecurity, no insecurity, the traditional institution will help us, will go a long way to help us reduce it, and also to help us in running some of these institutions at a very local level. If God blesses me and that opportunity is given to me, I'll do that. God bless you.
welcome to the ancient palace of the Yaidongona. Inshallah, in another 2-3 weeks, I will be 19 years old on this throne. And next year, all things being equal, I will be 20 years and 80 years old. As I always tell people, politicians don't quarrel, they only disagree to agree. For the past 1 year, telephone call, particularly from the north in the night. And I tell everybody, future belongs to God. If it is efficiency, knowledge, activity, you are qualified. But future belongs to God. If any monarchs tell anybody he has blessing to give any aspirant or anybody, he's being economical with the truth. The Quran has said it. Where is this, my friend here? Akako?
Hakasa.
Robul Moshiri Kaini, or Robul Mogri Baini, Ayala, if the presidency is good in your interest, it is good for you, God Almighty Allah will make it possible. If it will affect you, I want to see you alive every time. You are a very, very good person. You are not new to this palace. You have complete Yoruba blood in you. Honestly, what is going on in this country, I don't like it at all. And I tell people, the question of security in this country is the responsibility of all of us, not for Buhari alone. But people who feel that without them, nothing can happen. You should have a rethink. But God is just. You want to know how the world is, hold 10 naira, go to bed, you meet it on the ground. I pray to God Almighty Allah to give you good health, long life. You see, like Machiavelli, he said the ends justify the means. If you are looking for power, forget everything about morals. But me, I don't agree like that. I want to see you every time. The best will happen. God will give us the best man who will address all our problems, who will move Nigeria forward. If it is you, no problem. I want to see you, because you are very agile and honest to a fault. But politicians don't quarrel, they only disagree to agree what? To agree later. God Almighty Allah will be. My friends from Kebbi, the senators, I wish all of you journey masses. It shall be Sumo Sebila Yansarahu for all of you. God will open the way for all of us. God bless and thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.